Hello friends, thank you for watching this video with me. This video is about a BMW E30 bagged on Modena rims tuning project. Unfortunately, you will see just final part of this project, but I'm sure you will see nice ideas for your project. It's an amazing project, it's an example like this, yes, rims, alloy suspension, color, interior, exterior, all it's on the maximum level on this car. You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills. For so long I forgot how it feels. In the dark of night, tabletops counting eyes in the early hours. Stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights gone.
Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.